We have followed the ripple through the air. We have followed the lightning through the skull. Now we must ask the question no scientist has yet answered. Why does music exist at all? Consider it honestly. Explorer's music does not feed you. It does not shelter you from rain. It does not sharpen a spear or heal a wound by every cold measure of survival. Music is useless. And yet, search the whole earth, every continent, every island, every people ever studied by anyone, and you will find no human culture without music. Not one languages differ, foods differ, gods and houses and stories differ. Everybody sings. So the mystery deepens. Something useless has followed humanity everywhere, refusing to be left behind. Let us dig for its beginnings, quite literally. In a cave in Germany, archaeologists uncovered something astonishing buried in ancient earth. A flute carved from the hollow wing bone of a vulture, pierced with finger holes by human hands. It is roughly 40,000 years old. Think of what that means. Before writing, before farming, before cities, before the wheel, before the pyramids. While ice still gripped the northern world and mammoths walked the plains. A human being sat in the cold, shaped a bone with care and made a note. They did not need to. They chose to. And they were not first. The flute is nearly the oldest instrument we have found before it lay something far older, carried by everyone, requiring no carving at all. The voice, and the hands that clap, and the feet that stamp. The first orchestra was a body. So what is music for? Scientists have offered several ideas and they argue about them still. Some suggest music began as connection, a way to bind people together. When humans sing in unison, they breathe together, move together, feel together. Researchers have watched groups sing and found their heartbeats drifting toward a shared rhythm. 100 people become, briefly, one thing. Perhaps music is the technology that let large groups of humans trust one another. Others point to something even earlier. A mother and an infant. Listen to how adults speak to babies anywhere in the world. The voice rises. It swoops. It slows and sweetens into something scientists actually call motherese. It is barely speech at all. It is nearly singing. Babies cannot understand words, but they respond to melody, to rhythm, to warmth carried on pitch. Some researchers believe music began there, in the oldest bond there is, long before language existed to explain itself. And still others suspect music is simply a beautiful side effect, that our brains evolved to detect patterns, predict sounds, and read emotion in voices. And that music is what happens when those powers are turned loose to play. Nobody knows which is true. Perhaps all are, perhaps none. But here is what we do know, and it is remarkable. Music reaches places almost nothing else can reach. Doctors have observed people who have lost much of their speech after brain injury, who can still sing words they cannot say. Because singing draws on brain networks that speech alone does not. Music therapy is used in real hospitals with real patients right now. And in people living with severe memory loss, a song from long ago will sometimes surface when names, faces, and years have all slipped away. A melody learned in youth can So here we are, explorers, at the end of our journey. A vibration begins. It ripples through invisible air. It strikes a drum, rattles 3 rice-sized bones, waves a hidden sea, sways 16,000 microscopic dancers. Becomes lightning, becomes prediction, becomes memory, becomes tears. And somewhere along that impossible chain, a physical event turns into a feeling. And no scientist alive can point to the exact moment where the change occurs. That is the true science of music. Not that we have solved it, but that a species of clever, fragile creatures standing on a small rocky planet looked at a hollow bone 40,000 winters ago and decided that the world needed a song. We are still deciding it. Every hum tune in a kitchen, every lullaby in the dark, every anthem, every drum beat, every child banging a spoon against a pot. The invisible ocean is still rippling, and we are still, all of us, listening. The music